Hi, it's Andy at Atkinson Specialist Vans. Today we're going to show you around a 2017 Volkswagen Transporter factory Kombi in Reflex Silver. Top of the range model. This is the bi-turbo 204ps with the DSG automatic gearbox and 4Motion four-wheel drive system. So it's as good as it gets. Got a great factory spec. As you can see, it's had a full Sportline kit fitted. The previous owner had this fitted at the Volkswagen dealer along with the genuine Sportline wheels and lowering springs. So a lot of money's worth of kit on it there. Got the expensive LED lights too. Really make a difference at night, those. And the condition, it has to be said, for a 5-year-old vehicle is absolutely super. Barely the odd chip around the front here. Lovely and straight down the sides. Wheels in good order with Falcon Azenis tyres. A really good rain tyre, A-rated for wet weather performance. 5-seat Kombi. Interior in the standard cloth at the minute. Now that's something that if you do want us to adapt that for you to bespoke leather, we can do that at an extra cost. Just have a chat with us if you're interested in doing that. DSG gearbox, aircon and heated front screen standard. This does also have the Discover Media Nav system. Cruise control and a multifunction steering wheel. In the rear, got the 2+1 seating system, so you can access the rear using this little handle here. Again, all in great condition. Hasn't been carpet lined, but when I get to the back, I'll show you just how well taken care of this has been. Normally at 5 years old on a Kombi van like this that hasn't been carpet lined, you'd expect to see quite a few battle scars inside on the back, and this really doesn't have hardly any. Privacy tints to the rear windows. One tiny little scratch there, just hairline that we've machine polished. So when we go around these vehicles, we try and look at them as if we were the buyer. If there's anything we'd be unhappy with, then we of course get it done, or we'll at least tell you about it. Got the factory reverse camera too. That was an optional extra. Carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector. And in the back here, just to show you what I was talking about, normally these arches tend to get really hammered with stuff loaded in them. There's the odd little mark and nick, which at 5 years old you've got to expect, but that is so much better than what you would normally see. If you've looked at any other uncarpeted vans, you'll be aware of that. Again, carpet lining is something we can do for you. If you're interested in having that done, just let us know. We can give you a quote on that. Show you up here as well. All in good order. Now, driver's side. Again, we are dent free down there. Nice straight finish to the paintwork. And sits really well with that Sportline kit on. You can just see the roof spoiler there. Those wheels, they were dear set of wheels those. If you were to buy those direct from Volkswagen with tyres, you wouldn't get much change from best part of £2,000. Nice touches Sportline mats inside as well. Mileage today just 30,439 miles. So in 5 years, that's averaging 6,000 miles per annum. Just show you on the screen as well, we've got no nasty chips on there. All clear. Had a recent MOT too. Now the history is the other great thing about this. It's got a super full Volkswagen service history from JCT's in Sheffield. Every service has been done on time. In fact, if anything, it's been over serviced. You can see here the EGR pipe has been changed. Common issue on these. And also on time they've done the cam belt, which is good because a lot of people at 30,000 miles don't bother, but it is 5 years or 30,000 miles, and that has been done very recently. So fully maintained, up to date at the main dealer. Has got a Kenwood dash cam too. Now that's a genuine Volkswagen accessory, so that's quite a useful bit of kit. It's about £400 worth of kit. Also, it's got a Scorpion immobiliser on it. That's a separate fob that comes with the key, and if you haven't got that in the vehicle, you can't start it. So another good security measure there. The final big benefit of this one, there is no VAT to pay on top of the sale price. So if you're a private purchaser or a non-VAT registered business, absolutely perfect for you. No extra 20% charge. And just rounds off a stunning van, really. Now, we do take part exchanges and we can provide finance facilities. So if you're interested, head to martinatkinsonvans.co.uk, have a look at the advert and the pictures, and please do give us a call. Thanks for watching.